Hello friends, welcome back to Salima Art Creation. Today I am reusing an old kitchen plate to make a beautiful wall hanging painting. First I applied gesso on the plate. About 4 to 5 coats are enough. After each coat, leave it to dry for 5 minutes. Since I love nature, I decided to paint a nature scene on the plate. You can choose any one of your favorite designs or themes. This is a very simple and beginner friendly painting idea, and you don't need any expensive materials to try it. This DIY plate painting is perfect for home decor, wall hanging, or even as handmade gift. I hope you enjoyed this creative wall hanging idea. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Salima Art Creation for more creative videos. Stay creative and keep painting.